Welcome back. The Walter Sisulu University Council has established a commission of inquiry to probe recent shootings at its Mthatha campus. Now, this follows the fatal shooting of a student there, Sisonke Mbolekwa, and injuries to other protesting students. The commission is chaired by retired Judge Chris Jafta and is today hearing evidence from the residence director of that institution. Newzroom Afrika's Liyema Vumisa is tracking that story for us. He joins us now live. Liyema, good afternoon. You were, of course, also tracking the shootings that happened and the aftermath of what was unfolding at Walter Sisulu's Mthatha campus. Just give us some background on how these protests got underway. And, of course, we know that a residence manager there is out on bail in connection with charges and the death of the one student there, Sisonke Mbolekwa.
Certainly, Michelle, as you've right and correctly mentioned there, this commission of inquiry was established following that recent incident that took place here at the Nelson Mandela Drive campus, otherwise known as the Mthatha campus of the Walter Sisulu University. Back in April, students took to the streets to protest against, some of the complaints and concerns really that they have pertaining to the residences that they reside in. And then on one, fateful morning, we understand then it is alleged that the residence manager who was, also sitting or rather staying, I beg your pardon, there inside the premises, that is Mr. Manelisi Mampane, allegedly shot then at the student who was fatally wounded, Sisonke Mbolekwa. He subsequently appeared in court and was granted a bail of 10,000 rand. Currently, what has happened right now then, Michelle, since those incidences is that the Ministry of Higher Education and Training, of course, led by the now former Minister, Dr. Nkabane, had established then a commission of inquiry with the Council of Walter Sisulu University to really get to the crux of the matter as far as these incidences are concerned, because we understand the protests that occurred around about April were not the very first incidences that occurred in that very same campus here in Mthatha, but there were prior incidences related to security having a standoff with the students. And now the commission, as you rightfully mentioned, is rather chaired by the retired Judge Jafta. We understand then that it's well in its second month since it was established, and subsequent to that, various witnesses have since appeared and also gave evidence. We understand that even the accused in this matter, that is Manelisi Mampane, has also appeared alongside some of the security personnel, and also the management officials from the Walter Sisulu University have also appeared to give evidence and really account on what transpired surrounding those incidences. Now, what we were listening to then this particular morning was the invitation then that was extended by the evidence leaders, that was led by Advocate Bayete Maswazi, who then extended an invitation to the acting director at the time of residences and staff management in the Walter Sisulu University, Dr. Lonwabo Vigilahle. He was appearing today, and in fact that matter has just been adjourned shortly for lunch. But so far the proceedings seem to reveal to us that at the time that this incident, that would be then the protest where a student was fatally shot, the executive management of Walter Sisulu University was not really, filled in on what was transpiring at that current moment. Of course, these are the remarks then that are being made by that acting director, Dr. Vigilahle. He also, interestingly, Michelle, asked from the judge that the media be excused because he believes that he is going to reveal sensitive information that may, lead to the crux of the matter as to what really transpired. You would understand then, being the head of that department, surely every concern and every, situation and solution thereafter that may arise goes through him. So he did make, a remark to the judge requesting that the media not be allowed just for that part of commentary that he is going to give relating to who is really behind what transpired at that, fateful morning.